Have you ever felt like your body's been whispering to you lately? Maybe your knees ache more than they used to. Your legs feel shaky after a short walk, or you've stopped reaching for the top shelf because of stiff shoulders. If that sounds familiar, it's not just age. Sometimes your bones, muscles, and joints are simply missing the daily support they need. But here's the good news. Nature has a quiet answer. In this video, we'll explore 8 tiny seeds split into 3 special groups, each one offering a unique gift: stronger bones, steadier muscles, and more flexible joints. And the best part, these seeds are simple, affordable, and often sitting right there in your kitchen. Stay with me to the end, because the final group includes 2 seeds that help ease inflammation and reduce pain in ways most people never expect. Before we begin, let me know what part of your body do you wish felt stronger right now. Let's begin with our very first seed for stronger bones, sesame seeds. They may be tiny, but these soft, pale seeds hold a quiet kind of strength that your bones deeply appreciate. Especially as you age, sesame seeds are one of the best natural, plant-based sources of calcium, a mineral your body depends on to keep your bones dense, stable, and less prone to fractures. Along with calcium, they also offer magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, all of which work together to keep your skeleton steady and supported. But what makes sesame seeds truly special is their rich content of lignans, natural antioxidants, that gently calm inflammation around the joints. This can help ease stiffness in the knees, ankles, and hips, especially in the morning when movement feels hardest. For best absorption, lightly toast and grind the seeds before eating. Whole seeds often pass through your system without releasing their full nutrition. Try stirring a spoonful into warm cereal, blending them into tahini, or sprinkling them over roasted vegetables. And if you enjoy eggs or mushrooms, pairing them with sesame seeds may help your body absorb calcium even more effectively. A little seed, a quiet habit. But for your bones, it's a powerful gift. Let's move to the second seed that helps build stronger bones, almonds. They may not be as tiny as sesame or chia, but almonds are technically seeds, and they carry powerful benefits for your skeleton, especially after age 60. Each almond is full of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, the 3 minerals your bones rely on to stay dense, steady, and less likely to break. These nutrients help rebuild bone tissue over time and maintain the strength you need for walking, standing, and balance. But almonds don't stop there. They also contain vitamin E, a gentle antioxidant that supports joint comfort and protects bone cells from age-related wear. The best way to enjoy almonds: soak a handful overnight to soften them, making them easier to chew and gentler on your digestion. You can also blend them into homemade almond milk, or slice them over warm cereal or vegetables. And if you pair almonds with a source of vitamin D, like eggs or sunlight in the early morning, your body absorbs the calcium even better. A small handful each day can quietly help your bones feel stronger and more supported with every step. Now let's take a look at our third and final seed in the stronger bones, group-sprouted pumpkin seeds. You may remember we talked about regular pumpkin seeds earlier, but when you sprout them, something amazing happens. Sprouting activates natural enzymes inside the seed. It reduces a substance called phytic acid, which can block the absorption of minerals. That means your body can now absorb more magnesium, more zinc, and more calcium, the very nutrients that help your bones stay strong and your joints stay steady. Sprouted pumpkin seeds are also easier to digest, making them gentler on sensitive stomachs, especially for older adults. And because they're raw and soft, they blend easily into soups, smoothies, or a warm bowl of oatmeal. You can buy them pre-sprouted or make them at home. Just soak raw pumpkin seeds in clean water for 8 hours. Rinse and keep in a cool, dark place. After 2-3 days, you'll see tiny sprouts, and that's when their full potential comes to life. Add just 1 tablespoon daily, and over time, these quiet little seeds may help your body feel more supported from the inside out. A simple act of soaking, and your bones could feel the difference. Now that we've looked at seeds that support your bones, let's turn to the ones that quietly help your muscles stay strong, steady, and ready for daily life. You might not realize it, but after 60, your body naturally begins to lose muscle, something called sarcopenia. It can start slowly. Lifting groceries feels harder, your arms tire faster, or it takes more effort just to stand up from a chair. But here's the hopeful part. Certain seeds offer gentle, natural support to help your body repair muscle fibers, rebuild strength, and reduce fatigue, especially after physical activity. And the first one we'll explore might already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Let's begin with one of the most popular superfoods in recent years, chia seeds, a tiny but powerful ally when it comes to muscle recovery and strength after 60. These tiny black or white seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that support aging muscles. One of their biggest strengths is that they provide complete plant protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and maintain muscle. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in sore muscles and support better circulation, key for delivering oxygen and nutrients to tired arms, legs, and joints. Another benefit: chia seeds hold water. When soaked, they form a soft gel that helps keep you hydrated and supports smooth digestion. That makes them great for recovery after a walk, gardening, or even a light workout. Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough. But be sure to soak them in water for 15-20 minutes before eating. This unlocks their full benefits and makes them easier to digest. Try stirring them into a smoothie, a bowl of yogurt, or even a warm herbal tea. A small seed, but one that helps your muscles stay ready for the life you want to keep living. Now let's look at a seed that's less well known, but deeply nourishing for aging muscles: hemp seeds. Unlike most plant-based foods, hemp seeds provide a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. This is especially important after 60, when natural muscle loss becomes more common and recovery takes longer. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support blood flow, reduce stiffness, and ease the small aches that can come from even simple daily movements like bending down or lifting light groceries. In addition, hemp seeds offer gentle doses of magnesium, iron, and zinc, 3 minerals that support energy, collagen repair, and healthy muscle contractions. The best part: you don't need to cook them or soak them. Just sprinkle 1 tablespoon a day into oatmeal, smoothies, or warm soups. And for a little extra benefit, try combining hemp seeds with a splash of lemon juice or a vitamin C-rich food. It helps your body absorb the iron more effectively, giving your muscles just what they need to feel a little stronger each day. Now let's explore our third seed for stronger muscles: fenugreek seeds. Often called methi in traditional cultures, these tiny golden seeds have been used for generations in gentle remedies that support strength, stamina, and recovery, especially for older adults. Fenugreek seeds contain plant-based protein, iron, and unique compounds called saponins. Together, they help rebuild tired muscles, support healthy blood flow, and ease the fatigue that can settle in after even simple activities like standing, walking, or cooking dinner. One of their quiet strengths is how they gently stimulate appetite, a small but vital gift for older adults who've lost interest in eating or are trying to regain lost weight and rebuild muscle mass. They also help stabilize blood sugar, which means your muscles receive energy more evenly, reducing the ups and downs that can leave you feeling drained. To enjoy their benefits, try boiling 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water for 5 minutes to make a warm tea. Or soak them overnight and sprinkle them into soups or warm salads. The flavor is earthy and strong, but the impact is deep and lasting. Now let's turn to the seeds that support one of the most overlooked parts of aging. Well, your joints. These small but mighty connectors let you bend, stretch, and move through each day. But after 60, many people start to feel stiffness in the knees, hips, or fingers, making even simple tasks feel heavier than they used to. The good news: certain seeds can help ease inflammation, support cartilage, and gently restore flexibility, starting with one of the oldest and most trusted seeds in natural healing. Let's begin with flax seeds, small and earthy, but packed with quiet strength for your joints. These seeds are rich in ALA omega-3 fatty acids, a plant-based fat known to calm the inflammation that settles in joints over time. If your knees feel stiff in the morning or your hands ache when it's cold, this kind of natural anti-inflammatory support can make a real difference. Flax seeds also contain lignans, gentle plant compounds that mimic estrogen in a subtle way. For many women after menopause, this added support may help protect cartilage and reduce joint wear. But here's an important tip. Whole flax seeds often pass through your system undigested. To get the full benefit, always grind them fresh or buy them already ground. Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough stirred into oatmeal, yogurt, or a warm drink. And for an extra boost, try pairing them with turmeric or ginger to create a soothing blend for your body. They may be tiny, but flax seeds know exactly where you need softness and strength. And now we come to the final seed in today's list: walnuts, a rich and hearty nut that holds quiet power for your joints. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help soothe the inflammation that can quietly build up in your joints over time. That means less morning stiffness, less swelling after walking, and more freedom in the way you move. They also contain polyphenols, natural compounds that help protect your joints from oxidative stress, the kind that wears down cartilage and makes everyday movement feel harder than it should. If you've noticed your knees creak when standing, or your hands feel tight after holding a spoon, walnuts may offer a small but steady form of relief. The best way to enjoy them: just 3-4 walnuts per day is enough. For easier digestion, try soaking them overnight to soften their texture. You can eat them with warm cereal, sprinkle them on vegetables, or enjoy as a gentle afternoon snack. Each bite brings nourishment not just to your body, but to your sense of strength and stability. Sometimes the comfort we need is already in our hands. Now, before you start adding these seeds into your daily routine, there are a few gentle reminders to help you get the most benefit without any surprises. Let's start with flax seeds. While they're full of anti-inflammatory power, whole flax seeds often pass through the body without being absorbed. That means no real benefit. Always use them ground and, ideally, grind them fresh right before eating to preserve the healthy fats inside. With fenugreek seeds, the flavor can be strong, and some people may find it too bitter or warming. Start with a small amount, like a teaspoon steeped in warm water, and see how your body responds. If you're taking medications for blood sugar or thyroid, talk to your doctor before using them regularly. Hemp seeds and walnuts are rich in healthy fats, but too much at once can upset sensitive stomachs. Begin slowly, and soak walnuts overnight if you have trouble chewing. And with chia seeds, remember, never eat them dry. Always soak them for at least 15 minutes so they form a soft gel. This makes them easier to digest and reduces any risk of bloating or discomfort. Lastly, for any seed, moderation matters. Don't mix too many in one meal. 1 or 2 kinds per day is usually enough. And if you have nut allergies, skip almonds and walnuts, and try flax or sesame instead. Your body has its own quiet language. Listen gently, adjust slowly, and over time, it will respond with strength and steadiness. Today, we explored 8 simple seeds that quietly support your bones, muscles, and joints, helping you move with more ease and confidence every day. Whether it's a spoonful of flax in the morning or a handful of soaked almonds in the afternoon, these gentle habits can slowly bring strength back into your steps. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which seed will you try first? Leave a quick comment below. I truly enjoy reading your stories. If this video helped you, a like or share would mean a lot. Take care of your body. It still listens. It still responds. See you soon.